So Petra, it's the last day of the year. The last day of 2017. What do you want to do?
Honestly, I don't know.
So we realized that we couldn't spend the last day of 2017 doing nothing. So Petra and I decided that we had to do something. What that something was didn't really matter, but we needed to go somewhere and do something fun on the last day of the year. So
we went out to Monkey Beach on a boat and walked up and down it and got Coca-Cola and Tiger Beer.
Can't beat that. Cheers, baby. It was
a good year. To the good year.
To the good year. It was an excellent 2017 with you, little dude.
Always said. And to be the one in the show.
I know.
Whenever the kid go and ask for a kid volunteers, I always, no matter if I know I'm not going to be chosen, raise my hand to try. I'm the one that wants to get out onto the stage. I want to do it.
Come on. Mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark. The big one, big one.
It's New Year's Eve. I have about 5 minutes to get somewhere before midnight.
Oh, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Woo!
Happy New Year.
Petra, you're out of the box. You're out of this world. You are really awesome. Thank you so much.